How to make a photo swipe TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now, go to Media at the bottom right corner. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll right here. Then, go to the Photos section as shown. Select the photos you want and then tap on Next at the bottom. Here, you can swipe to view the pictures you selected. Then edit them as you like using the edit options on the right side of the screen. Then tap on Next. Here, you can add a caption and also manage other settings before posting. Following these steps, you can easily make a photo swipe on TikTok.